Welcome to another video, and today we are going to show you how to train your puppy to get used to the leash. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. So first things first, you need to have a leash and of course a puppy. So today we'll be having Jean over here. So what we are going to do, we are going to leash her over this post. We have Jean and Julie. So these puppies came to our kennel for training. So before you take your dog out or your puppy out, first things first, they need to get used to having the leash and collar on them. So remember, this is the first time they are having